Okay.
So we do like, it's our salsa, we do mascarpone in there.
Okay. I'm a huge cannoli fan, so.
Pistachio, chocolate chips, and then the cannoli pieces.
Bet.
Thank you.
You ready? So before we taste the pizza, they just gave me a little treat. Cannoli ice cream, pistachios, chocolate with a little cannoli. Let's see what it's hitting for. I need this off my bitch, to be honest with you. This right here is hidden. If you like cannolis, come try this. This is crazy good. Does it work? Oh. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, this place is cool. Play a little pinball. I obviously suck. I'm not that good.